Welcome to Oldehadleyvintage, where stories of the past come alive. Nostalgia in every corner, an antique paradise to revive. Antique glass and vintage dishes, holiday items, bric-a-brac galore. Step inside, let your heart make wishes, something for everyone to explore.
So take a look at these lamps, guys, that I found. They are in perfect condition. The bottoms of them have those little ribs, little bumps, little hobnails, whatever you want to call them. But look at the condition that they are in. They are not disgusting? Look at these things. So as I promised you, I'd do some before and afters. So this is the before, and now please don't get excited. I am not going to immerse these in water. I'm going to gently clean the bases of these. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna vacuum out the insides of these, sockets, because they are filled with, let me see if I can get a better focus here. They're filled with all kinds of gunk and dust. So I will vacuum those out with a little brush. And yeah, and I'm probably going to bring these to a sale soon. I'm going to try to polish this brass as well to see if I can get this shiny. I'm not sure if these were rewired or not, because they do have like the old plugs. So I think these are all original, but I thought they were amazing. But look at, even the plugs are kind of nasty. So here's the before, and I'll be back and I'll show you the after. Okay guys, so I figured I would do a little bit of a during. So currently they are soaking. I have sprayed them with Dawn Power Wash, and they are just soaking to loosen up some of that dirt. If you notice, I actually covered the tops with some saran wrap, just to prevent any water from getting in any of the electrical components whatsoever. I'm just cleaning the glass right now. And then I may use a little bit of the Dawn Power Wash on a sponge to clean the cording. If that doesn't work, I will use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, which will also help as well. Make sure you always line your sink with an old rag or with like an old towel, just to prevent any scratching or any damage to your items as well. Okay, so we'll come back in a little bit, and we'll see where we've gotten on these. So guys, this is the best way I could show you how I do this, but I'm using my vacuum on the lowest suction setting, and I have this tiny little plastic brush. And I'm just going in here and I'm just agitating the socket while it's unplugged. Be sure that it's unplugged. And I'm just agitating all that dirt that's on the inside. As you saw it before I started, it's covered in hair and fur. I don't know if they had cats or whoever. I got these from the Goodwill. But I have this prop, the phone propped up against my coffee maker, so you can probably see that. Sorry about it, but anyway, I just wanted you guys to get the full effect here. So there you go. See how nice and clean it got? Got that socket nice and clean, shiny clean. Okay guys, here's the finished product. They came out absolutely beautiful. Look at how shiny these are. Who would have thought with all that gunk in there? But look at how shiny. What's cool about these is that these actually have, see the little space underneath for the plug to come out. So they were very thoughtful when they made these lamps. I'm not sure the maker of these lamps, but I'm gonna see if I can do some research to find out. But there is no chips or cracks or dings or anything on these beautiful, they're very Art Deco, you know, lamps, the stems that go up to the bulb. The sockets themselves, I thought I could polish these, but I think these were sprayed on brass, and I think it's either nicotine or sprayed on brass, and these were originally silver, but I don't want to keep rubbing anymore because I don't want to ruin them. So if you guys decide that you want to do anything with them, you can, but I think I'm going to just leave them as they are. But I am going to bring them probably to the sale this coming weekend, and I just wanted to show them to you in a quick video. Plugs came out really nice and clean and nice and shiny. I don't know if these are Bakelite. I don't think they are, but I could be wrong. But they did come out nice and clean, and hopefully for the show I'll be able to have some light bulbs in there and be able to show you how they glow. The insides of the sockets, see how nice they cleaned out? They both cleaned up really well. So, yep, they're really pretty, guys. So those will be coming to a sale hopefully this Sunday. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little cleaning video. And if you did, please be sure to thumb up, like, and subscribe. If you're so inclined to do so, I would appreciate that, and hope to see you this coming Sunday on my live sale, which is probably the, let's see, Thursday 26th. So that is going to be 29th, I believe it is, if I'm not wrong. Be the Sunday, the last Sunday of December, and I'll bring these to that sale. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, please like and comment below, and let me know. Let me know if you know anything about these lamps. Otherwise, I'm going to do some research myself and find out who the maker was, and so if I can find out some more info for you. But I think these would look really cool with some of those old pom-pom shades. And it would look really cool. And you can even decorate them, or you know, make them a little fancier and put them on a sideboard if you wanted to. That's another option. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.